Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pavoni electrical espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it hasn't been used in a very long time and just basically needed a tune-up. And we replaced all these gaskets that you see here, side glass casing, pretty much give it a good clean up all around it, as well as put a new auto filter basket inside the machine. And now let's test it out. The grind needs to be a little bit more fine, as you can see what's coming out a little bit too fast. And but it's still a good shot. You can see a little bit of crema, but it needs to be a little bit more finer. And now for the steamer, and it's a little bit hard. It's kind of hard to see. So there you have it, working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for preparing with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.